Hello there traders, good and welcome back again to this very channel. In today's video guys, I'll be showing you how to identify market structure and trend you get in any kind of market condition. Whether the market is choppy, ranging, going up or going down guys, I'll be breaking down the whole concept around trend identification. Without taking much of your time, let's get into the main video of today guys. So if you're new to the channel, hearing my voice for the first time, welcome to the BDFS. This is the channel I upload fresh educational videos, and do well to subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification icon so you get notified by YouTube whenever an awesome video like this drop guys. And for my returning subscribers, thank you very much. Make sure you like this video to break the YouTube algorithm. You get to have been doing something else, but you choose to spend some couple of minutes here with me. I strongly believe your time here is not a waste. So I'll be breaking out the whole concept in less than no time. Okay, let's get into the main video of today. On my screen here, what I see, we have this market going up. So I'll be showing you guys how to identify market structure like I told you previously. Okay, here we are this pair. Now the strategy I'm showing you works on anything tradable. This strategy works on it, even if crypto, stock, synthetic, forex pairs, blah blah blah, anything tradable, so long as it is presented using the candlestick chart guys. This method works 100%. You get. First, I'll be showing you guys price action method that you will use in identifying your trend, and secondly, I'll be showing you guys an indicator that you'll be using to identify your trend guys. Okay, let's get into the main video of today. So on my screen here we have this pair. I'll be using Nasdaq for this example. So I just want to use Nasdaq so you see for yourself that this strategy works in any kind of market guys. So without taking much of your time, let's start this video. Okay, now let's start from here. Since this market is doing what, this market is going up, we have this uptrend like this market is just going up to the upside. How can we identify trade and how can we make possible entries? Now this market is just going up. Okay, you know that we have this uptrend here, but how do we know where is our swing highs and swing low? How can we identify our swing high and swing low? So this very video I'll be showing you that. Okay, let me start from here. The market was ranging throughout here, and from here we had this breakout. You get the concept? We had this breakout. So what you have to do, you just have to take note of your first swing low. Here we have our swing high. Now this was the pullback. You only take note of pullback that broke market structure. This was the pullback that broke this market structure here. You get the concept? This was the pullback. So you just have to bring it here and you count it as what your swing low. After that, we have this swing high here. We have this swing high before what the market pullbacks. Now you need at least 2 candlesticks for your pullback. To identify your trend, you need at least 2 candlesticks as a pullback. Okay, we have this pullback that broke our previous high to here. Okay, after that we have this other pullback. Okay, this pullback broke our our previous high. Perfect. Okay, we now have what? We now have this pullback to the upside. Now I will show you how you can identify if the trend has totally changed, if the trend is no longer an uptrend or a downtrend anymore. So just stick to the very end of this video and don't miss out any single part of it. So this very aspect here, we have this pullback that broke our previous high. Okay, just have to take note of our previous high. Okay, at this point in time now, we are waiting for what? We are waiting for that pullback. That pullback that will break our previous high. That pullback that will break our previous high now. And what do we see? There's no pullback here. Instead, the market is ranging at this point in time. So we only take note of the pullback that will break market structure. So for you to know if this market is still in an uptrend now, okay, I want to ask you, let me just set that as a question. Is this market still an uptrend or the market structure has totally changed to a downtrend. Just comment down below. Just be yourself. Don't copy from others. Don't look what others is doing there. Just be your real self. We learn. If you say this market is in an uptrend, you are right. You get the concept. If you say this is in an uptrend, you are right. If you say this market is in a downtrend, you are totally wrong. Why? Now we have our previous low here. You get, and we have what? Our previous high. You get the concept. We have our previous high here. Now, until the market break this low, until the market break our previous low, we are still in an uptrend. You get the concept. Until you have a break of this low here, this previous low, we are still in an uptrend. You get. So now whatever the market is doing around here now, we are just waiting to see that pullback that will break this structure. You get. If we refuse to see the pullback that will break this structure, then there will be a break of our previous low. And once there's a break of our previous low, we are no longer in an uptrend anymore. You get the concept? We are no longer in an uptrend. So now we are just waiting for what? A break of our previous low. You get the concept? But if the uptrend will continue, we have to see what? A break of this previous high. You get the concept? We have to see a break of this previous high. But if the uptrend will not continue, then the market will just start blowing down. You get? The market will just start blowing down. I strongly believe price will take away the previous low. You get why? Price already given us what? Our downtrend characteristics, consecutive lower lows and what? Lower highs and lower lows. You get the concept. And what happened here? The market retests what? Our previous low that was broken and what? Immediately start dropping. And this market is dropping to what? This market is dropping to here, to our previous low. So this our previous low here is where we are expected to do what? To take profit. You get the concept. This 1:2.46 risk to reward. This simply means you are risking $1 to make $2.46. I hope this video was helpful. If you want to know the downtrend example, you just have to flip it upside down. It's the same thing. So guys, remember I told you I'll be using price action to identify trend, and the next one will be what? Indicator. So on my chart here, what do you see? You see this blue line. Get this blue line is what? My 50 period moving average exponential. So just go to your chart, install the 50 period moving average exponential, and now I'll be breaking down on how you can use the 50 period moving average to identify your trend. Get the concept? Now, once you see your moving average crossing your candlestick this way, once you see your moving average doing this thing we are seeing here, like so, moving average touching your candlestick up and down, means the market is what? The market is ranging. You get the concept? So at this point in time here, the market was ranging because the moving average the candlestick was just touching the moving average up and down. So once the moving average crossed to the downside, you get the concept? Once the moving average crossed to the downside like so, means what? We are in a downtrend. Means we are in a downtrend. Once the moving average cross to the downside, like the candlestick are below the moving average, the candlesticks are below the moving average, means we are in a downtrend. And when the moving average cross to the upside, when the candlesticks are above the moving average, what do we see? That means we are in an uptrend, because here we have the moving average crossing over to the upside, and we have this long and bullish market structure. You get the concept? So that's it. When the moving average is touching your candlestick up and down, you are in a ranging market, which means it's not advisable to trade. And when your candlestick is below your moving average, that's in this very aspect here, your candlestick are below your moving average, means you're in a downtrend. And here, candlestick above moving average means you are in an uptrend. You get the concept? So that's it. Thank you very much. I don't want this video to be too long, and I hope this was helpful. Thank you very much, and I do really appreciate it. Peace, and see you in our subsequent videos.